And from the blue corner, still weighing at more than 58 kilograms, representing Doña Aurora National High School, we have Eljan Ralph Aklinen. This is 3 rounds, 2 minutes per round, and 1 minute rest. Actually, itong mga naglalaro natin, mga boksingero, ay magkakamag-aral din ang mga ito. Sila yung naglaro sa palarong lungsod. Mayroon lang iba na sa elite. Yan yung mga sa kolehiyo nanggagaling yung iba. Mamaya po. And on the first round, for the participants for the junior category.
Sa tabi ni Lola, doon. Doon. Nakikita mo naman.
This Night of the Champions amateur boxing event is, of course, organized by the City Government of Baguio, organized by the SK Kabataan, Iksambinya Kabataan of East Corinamil and Leonela Hill Barangays. We would like to thank our sponsors, Red Cross and the BCU medical team, NIIT School that empowers, headed by Councilor Vladimir Cayabas. Anchor Wheel, Kunigon by Engineer Claudio Kalungan, Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineer Cordillera, Kapin Siguap, Cronax, and of course the General Services Office of the City Government of Baguio and Raytanet Media Press.
Hindi, nawawala ko.
And of the second round, the third and final round. Oh, makita yo, uri no ang kaplato na kita, dito yung ring, awang ti inadwaan. Ano, pinangan na kita, kapanganda lang. May salang plato na kita.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Ilang, binadok-dok.
Nice, 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 nice. Nice, 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 nice.